Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Company Visitor Management System, and the abstract of the project is Company Visitor Management System is usually used in places where a large number of visitors come and go. Whether we are running a huge corporate company or a small office, we will have to deal with visitors on a daily basis. For the sake of safety, we should keep track of all those who visit your premises. Visitor management system records the visitant details in the database to maintain records of all the people who visited the company. By stacking information, a company visitor management system can record the usage of facilities by specific visitors and offer recommendation of visitors. Nowadays, most of companies follows the manual system, and still some of standard companies follows automated system for visitors. Company visitors management system deals with the security provided at company premise from the unauthenticated or unwanted visitors. Instead, company visitor management system will assist you the professionalized way in which you welcome your visitors. This software is a complete visitor management system service to improve the efficiency, productivity, and security. And the flow diagram of the project is it consists of only admin module. In admin can log in and log out the computer visitor management system. In computer visitor management system is consists of dashboard, new visitor, manage visitor, user management, and reports. In dashboard, it will showing the number of visitors come today or weekly counting. In new visitor, the admin or user or sub-admin can add the new visitors. In manage visitor, the flow diagram of the project is consists of only admin module. The admin can log in or log out the computer visitor management system. The admin can create the sub-admin or user to the company visitor management system. In company visitor management system, it consists of 6 modules like dashboard, new visitors, and manage visitors, and user management, and finally reports. In dashboard, the user or admin can view the number of users per day or the number of users per week by visiting the company. In new visitors, the admin or user can add the new visitors based on the department and who he wants to meet. And then in manage visitors, the admin or user can enter the outing time for the visitors. In user management, the admin can add and delete the sub-admin or user, and he can provide to the sub-admin and user. And finally, report, we can check the visitor record space between the data. I am going to run my project in XAMPP control panel using Apache server through MySQL server, and I am going to start the Apache server and also MySQL server, and then I am going to enter into the MySQL admin page. In that I have already added the computer visitor management database, so then I can directly move into our website. This is the index page of company visitor management system. This is the admin login page. If the admin forget his password, he can change the use password by using email ID and mobile number. And I am going to log in into the computer visitor management system. This is the dashboard of computer visitor management system. This is in that it will check the today visitor, yesterday visitor, and last 7 days of visitors and total visitors till date. In that, user can update his profile, and he can also change his password through the settings. And in new visitor, the admin or user can add the new visitor. Like example, in that I have successfully entered the details of the user, and I am going to save the new visitor detail, and it was successfully stored. In manage visitor, we can check the visitors. Like if the previous visitor, his name is Steve, his outing time is 21 and in that we are going to check the battery, our new user. In that I have entered the outing remarks, and it was updated successfully. We can check the details of the visitor. And in user management, the admin can only register the users.
Like if the user or admin, he can only promote he is admin or he is a user. In that I have to create one admin page like admin ID, and I have successfully entered the user details, and I'm going to register the user. Like or successfully register the user, and username is Jai Kumar, and in that we can check the permission of the user. Like if he is admin, he can create, register, and update. And if he is a user, he can create, he can only register visitor and update visitor. And I have logged into the super user, and I have all the permission to access the module. And reports, we can check the report based on the dates. I have checked the date between yesterday date and today's date, and in that the 3 members are newly visited. I have checked into dashboard. Today visitor is 2, yesterday visitor is 3, last 7 days visitor is 3, and I am going to log in into user like Vijay Kumar 3 4, like Vijay 1 2 3 4, and I have successfully entered into the user. User can add the visitor, he can manage the visitor, and he can check the reports between the visitors, and in that we can change the password, and I'm going to update his profile picture like I have updated the profile picture to the user, and I have forwarded to